Because he's a published author? Huh? What is it, Darius? Spit it out! Because I'm frankly, it's exhausted because you're beating around the bush. Yo, what's up ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to this channel, Shape Your English. Yes, welcome. This is Shape Your English and my name is Arya. Let me tell you something about Shape Your English. Shape Your English is where you will be learning English with movies. And in today's episode, ladies and gentlemen, the comedic masterpiece by the name of The Hitman's Wife's Bodyguard. It's a fantastic movie and today we're going to be learning English from this movie. Before we start, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Enjoy this episode.
Therapy. I'm officially on sabbatical and...
Alright, on to our first word. I am officially sabbatical. It's as simple as just having day off work. Sabbatical just means having days off work, paid or unpaid leave. Sabbatical. I'm officially sabbatical. So, two examples of sentences could be said like this. I took a 4-week sabbatical from my job and went to Hawaii. I took a paid leave, paid vacation, whatever, to go on a holiday. Now it could also mean like this, okay? You're in a classroom, you come in and you're like, where are all the professors? The news comes that 4 professors of the university took sabbaticals this month. Sabbatical, however, is not a short vacation. No, it is a long period of time away from work. This could be anywhere from 4 weeks to a month and a half. Sabbatical.
Beat about the bush. Expression is beat around the bush.
Don't beat around the bush. Don't beat around the bush. Now, this is a very perfect idiom you can use with your friends to sound smarter. And let me tell you the meaning of don't beat around the bush. Don't beat around the bush means to not stall, to not waste time to get to a certain answer. For example, someone could be asking a question to me and I could just be saying nonsense and not answering the direct question. And this is beating around the bush. Let me give you an example. My dad tells me, Arya, why have you not been doing your master education? It's important. You know, Dad, I'm doing this and yeah, actually I went to McDonald's yesterday and I saw this dude, he talked about some business and my dad's gonna tell me, Arya, stop beating around the bush. Tell me exactly why you're not studying your masters. Well done for sticking around to this part of the show. Now I'm going to go over everything and summarize everything for you. So our first word, I am sabbatical. I am sabbatical. It means I am on a paid or unpaid leave or vacation from work.
Take a sabbatical.
A paid sabbatical.
Sabbatical. It's between 4 weeks until like 1.5 weeks. Now, guys, it's up to you right now to give me an example of where we can use this sentence. Put it down in the comments. It could help everyone as well as myself. I'm constantly trying to improve my English. So leave a comment. Our second word, an idiom, is don't beat around the bush.
Look, I'm not gonna beat around the bush.
Stop going around the question. Stop going around the question and stop stalling or wasting time. Answer the question properly. Don't beat around the bush. Leave a comment and give me an example of where we can use this. Guys, I'm proud of you. Well done for finishing this video. Make sure to check out these 2 videos as well. You're going to love them. Thank you again. See you on the next one.